The most popular gymnastic grip in the world, longest lasting and safest grip on the market. Reisport grips are manufactured in Switzerland, using the finest quality leather under the strictest conditions. To size grips, measure from tip of longest finger to base of palm XX small, 00, up to 5.5, extra small O, 5.5 to 6, small 1, 6, 6.5, medium 2, 6.5 to 7, large 3, 7 up. Measure 2 inch wide across palm area of hand. Constructed with 2 finger holes and a small rubber dowel, glued and sewn to the grip. Reisport uneven bar hook and loop women's gymnastic grip. The finest gymnastics dowel grips on the market. The Reisport ladies uneven grip bar is constructed with 2 finger holes and a small rubber dowel that is glued and sewn, not tied, to the grip. The grip is to be worn at the first knuckle of the middle 2 fingers. A hook and loop wrist closure allows for a secure fit on any gymnast. Special leather makes this the longest lasting and safest grip on the market. Top reviews from the United States. Outstanding quality, great fit. These grips will be a godsend for my 11Y.0's level 5 daughter's hands, which are severely calloused and blistered. While we were told to go ahead and order these grips a couple of months ago, her coaches decided for us to wait until my daughter has a little more upper body strength to make her kip with straight arms. I did not want to further delay the writing of this review until my daughter gets stronger, so I am reviewing the item now. Not only is it very well made, compared to grips my other daughter has worn, but the fit is spot on, and the materials are high quality. Like other grips, these will need to be broken in a little before being worn full time, but once my daughter starts wearing these on a regular basis, we will be back to order another set from this seller, who delivered the product at a fair price with fast shipping.